take a shot every time someone mentioned agentic AI at the most recent tech keynotes like Google I/O, Microsoft Build, and Nvidia's Computex blowout, you'd be sick in no time. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Sure, AI agents can do work on your behalf without any direct input, like adding meetings to your calendar based on your emails, but we possibly can't leap into a world of agents with our current batch of AI models, which can still hallucinate and aren't entirely trustworthy. Thankfully, Apple's playing the cool, cautious hero here. At this week's WWDC 2026, the company skipped the hype and showed up with a smarter, saner Siri. Instead of taking over the world, this new Siri actually does useful stuff you ask it to do, like hunting down a friend's address buried deep in a messy text chain. It's the AI that listens instead of taking the wheel. On top of that, Apple's obsessed with keeping your secret safe. Their upgraded private cloud compute system promises to make your data vanish the second Siri answers your questions. No logs, no tracking, no creepy digital footprints. Sure, Apple slipped in a tiny bit of autonomous magic. The new Passwords app can sneakily log into websites to fix your hacked passwords automatically, and Safari has a Notify Me feature to stop price drops. It's a slippery slope, but way less terrifying than other messy chatbots. Critics say Apple is late to the party as their first AI attempts were total busts. But let's be real, Apple's never first. They didn't invent the MP3 player or the smartphone. They just perfected them, made them aesthetic, and earned a fortune. By watching its rivals crash and burn, Apple figured out what normal humans actually want. Let's just hope they keep Siri on a tight leash. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.